I am Neela Christian again. Today I'm going to talk about the high-end premium vacuums in the market. I see a lot of different brands in the video. What are the high-end brands AceVacuums specializes in? In our AceVacuums showroom, we focus on the gold standard of floor care, Miele, SEBO, and Riccar. Unlike big box brands that are designed to be replaced every few years, these are 20-year machines. I noticed those sleek colored canisters in the video. Are those the Miele C3 models? Yes. Those are the Miele Complete C3 canisters and Miele Guard series vacuums. They are our top sellers for homes with a mix of hardwood and high-end carpets. If you saw the marine blue or Lotus White models in our video, those are whisper quiet machines that provide the most refined cleaning experience in the world. What are those uprights with the funky patterns? They look different than standard vacuums. Those are the SEBO Felix and SEBO Dart uprights. SEBO is famous for German engineering that's built for the real world. I saw the Riccar display. What makes those uprights special for deep carpets? Those are the Riccar tandem air models like the Brilliance and Radiance. If you have thick, soft carpets, these are the heavy hitters. They use two motors working in sync to create a massive amount of airflow. If you want the absolute cleanest carpets possible, that's the machine you saw in the video. There was a tall white vacuum in the video that looked very industrial. What is that? That is the SEBO Automatic X7. It's arguably the smartest vacuum in the store. It actually senses the height of your floor and adjusts itself automatically as you move from a thick rug to a hard floor. I saw backpack vacuums and heavy-duty uprights in the back. Can I use those in my house? Absolutely. We carry Pro-Team backpacks and Carpet Pro commercial uprights because some homes are just commercial-sized. We bring that industrial durability to our residential customers so they can spend less time cleaning and more time living. Why should I come to the AceVacuums store instead of just ordering one of these online? Because you can't feel, suction, or weight through a screen. In our video, you see our specially designed test floors. We encourage you to test drive a Miele versus a SEBO right here. We want you to feel the swivel, hear how quiet the motor is, and see how it handles different debris. At AceVacuums, we ensure you buy the right machine once rather than the wrong machine twice. As an authorized dealer for Miele, SEBO, and Riccar, we provide the full manufacturer warranty. Plus, if your machine ever needs a tune-up, you bring it back to the same experts you saw in the video. We are the factory-certified service center for everything we sell.